Heavy machinery relies on every part functioning at its best, and one component that often goes unnoticed until it fails is the fuel injection pump. In engines like the Cummins QSK19 and KTA19, the fuel injection pump isn't just a part, it's the heart of the fuel system. It controls fuel delivery with precision, timing, and pressure that directly impact engine performance, efficiency, and longevity. Without a reliable pump, engines struggle with inconsistent power, reduced fuel economy, excessive emissions, and potential long-term damage. This replacement fuel injection pump is designed specifically for QSK19 and KTA19 engines, offering a seamless solution for maintaining peak engine performance. It's not just a generic aftermarket option, it's engineered to meet or exceed OEM standards, which means compatibility, durability, and precision. When installed, it restores the engine's fuel system to its intended efficiency, ensuring smooth operation across all workloads, from idling and low-demand situations to full power operation under heavy load. Precision fuel delivery is the foundation of diesel engine performance. The pump controls not only how much fuel is injected but also when and how it is atomized within the cylinders. Any deviation in these parameters can cause incomplete combustion, resulting in poor fuel efficiency, rough operation, and higher emissions. Installing a high-quality replacement pump ensures consistent delivery, optimal combustion, and reliable engine output. For operators and fleet managers, that translates to more predictable performance and less downtime. Durability is a key advantage of this pump. Heavy machinery operates in some of the harshest environments imaginable: dust, vibration, extreme temperatures, and continuous use. This pump is designed to withstand these conditions, using high-quality materials and precise engineering to maintain performance under stress. This longevity means operators can count on their equipment to run reliably, reducing interruptions and costly repairs. Fuel efficiency is another critical aspect. Diesel is expensive, and large engines like the QSK19 and KTA19 consume substantial amounts. A pump that isn't operating correctly can waste fuel, strain the injectors, and degrade engine components over time. With this replacement, fuel is delivered accurately and efficiently, helping reduce consumption and maintaining the health of the engine. Over the long term, that efficiency saves both fuel costs and maintenance expenses. Emissions are another area where a properly functioning pump makes a difference. Modern heavy machinery is subject to strict environmental regulations, and a failing fuel injection system can lead to excessive smoke and pollutants. By ensuring accurate fuel delivery, this pump helps engines stay compliant with emission standards while maintaining the clean, efficient combustion they were designed for. For operations that must meet environmental requirements, this is an essential consideration. Installation is designed to be straightforward. Unlike some aftermarket options that require adjustments or custom fitting, this pump is built as a direct replacement. That means it integrates with the QSK19 or KTA19 engine without modification, allowing mechanics to install it quickly and get the equipment back in operation. Minimizing downtime is crucial in construction, mining, and industrial applications where every hour counts. The pump also supports consistent engine performance across varying operational loads. Whether the machine is idling or under full throttle, the fuel delivery remains precise and stable. This consistency reduces wear on engine components and provides operators with predictable, reliable power when they need it most. Smooth acceleration, stable torque, and dependable operation aren't just conveniences, they're essential for productivity and safety in demanding work environments. For fleet operators managing multiple machines, standardizing on reliable replacement parts is vital. This pump provides uniform performance across all engines, simplifying maintenance schedules, improving operational reliability, and helping predict fuel and service costs more accurately. The result is reduced complexity and fewer surprises during operations. Maintenance is simplified as well. This pump is built to last, minimizing the frequency of replacement while delivering long-term reliability. By choosing a quality replacement now, operators prevent minor fuel system issues from escalating into major engine problems. It's a preventive measure that protects one of the most expensive and essential investments